Surprise, surprise, I'm coming at you live. Unless you're watching the recording, then I was live. But I'm not dead. The recording, the video was live. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, there's still time for this month's special. You get 20% off all Star Wars. And at the end of the month, one lucky person is going to win the Sith mystery box. And another lucky person will win the Jedi mystery box. What's in there? I don't know, it's a mystery. Anyway, we have a couple of updates here at the store. Plenty of Joe. So this is all restocked. Or refilled, I should say. A Joe here a Joe, there a Joe. Everywhere a Joe. Lots of them. But wait, there's more. We have those there. And then those there. I know what you're thinking. Gino, your voice has changed. Well, that's because I am not Gino. I am me. So we have plenty of Joes. If there's something you're looking for, let us know. There's a good chance that we'll have it. I wish this was a little handle for this one. You know, like a briefcase, but no handle. I think that was a missed opportunity.